Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you ClickFunnels 2.0. I will show you the pricing, some of the bonuses, and also what's new in ClickFunnels 2.0. So let's get started. So as you can see, this is a user interface behind ClickFunnels 2.0. It has a better and a much more simpler user interface, as you can see. On the left side, we have dashboard, site and funnels, we have products, we have orders, contacts, analytics, marketing, sales, and settings as well. Now, as you can see here, we can see that we can also go to the edit here. This is where we can pretty much edit the site that we're currently customizing right here, as you can see, and we can explore new themes. Now, ClickFunnels 2.0 reminds me of Shopify. This is a little bit, like look, Shopify look. If I may say so, because as you can see, this right here, everything looks pretty much like Shopify to me. But yeah, so here on the settings, you have a lot of different things that you can, obviously, enter. You have also Payments AI, which is the payments platform that is currently embedded in, as you can see, accept all payments online, currently embedded in ClickFunnels. Now, when it comes to pricing, as you can see, currently you can get basic for $127 a month, you can get pro for $157 a month, and funnel hacker for $208 a month. Now, this is if you want annually discounted pricing. Now, if you want monthly plans, here are the monthly plans for $147, $197, and $297 as well. And here you can see everything that you're getting within those plans. Now, obviously, if you go here are some of the new things that ClickFunnels 2.0 has, right? It has better user interface. It has ability to create an e-commerce store. So you can finally create, one page, e-commerce store. You can finally create, you have more customizations as well, which is pretty awesome. You also have multi-user team collaboration tool, which is Page Editor 2.0. It's built for speed and collab work experience. So you can finally collaborate with people within ClickFunnels 2.0. As you can see, much like how Google Suite allows multiple users to edit a single document or sheet, this is exactly how ClickFunnels Page Editor 2.0 works. Now you can obviously create a styled and uniform site, right? The platform will allow you to create themes, elements, pages that can be replicated across your funnels. So you will be able to also get really great templates that you can create and sell later on. Now there is faster loading speed, which is great. This is Google confirmed. So ClickFunnels 2.0 has now much faster loading speed, which is great. And obviously higher sales conversions, because right now the CRM functionality of ClickFunnels 1.2 has evolved over time, but had always had shortcomings compared to the dedicated CRM software. The new CRM is more thoughtful feature to improve your customer retention strategy. So you also have new CRM, you have better SEO and Google ranking, which is optimized for Google. It's set to load content faster, and meaning that you will be able to rank on Google as well much better, because it ranks, it's more faster website, right? You can also grow your memberships and secure your content, which is great, right? You have customer center as well. The original membership site functions well for basic membership offerings, but one of the significant issues is that user needs to host videos on other platforms. Now with Membership Site 2.0, you can host, optimize, and secure video and course content all within the platform and provide members with best-in-class experience. Now, should you upgrade to ClickFunnels 2.0? I would say definitely yes if you want to level up your marketing game and your design game, because you will get a lot of different things. As you can see here are some of the reasons to upgrade to ClickFunnels 2.0. It's a new platform, right? It's going to be likely a better option for large scale e-commerce or digital businesses. If you need more speed, this is a great alternative to ClickFunnels 1.2. Or 1.0, sorry. And if you have a team or need to outsource your site, this is also great. If you want to create a membership site as well for maybe software as a service or maybe your membership, this is great as well. And if you have a digital business offering courses or video content, this is again great. So ClickFunnels 2.0 is exactly the same as ClickFunnels 1.2, but it has much better features, as you can see. Now this is kind of my review on ClickFunnels 2.0. It is definitely a better way of doing marketing and having great, well-designed e-commerce store. So definitely, if you haven't already switched from 1.0 to 2.0, definitely do that switch right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below which features are currently the best and you're using currently for ClickFunnels 2.0, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.